In Dolores Cannon's teachings, profound insights into the purpose of our existence on Earth are revealed. This knowledge, once veiled and accessible only to the most spiritually advanced souls, has now become crucial as we witness the Earth undergoing a significant transformation, ascending to higher levels of consciousness and evolution. Humanity stands at a pivotal juncture where each individual must decide whether to align with the new Earth's frequencies or remain attached to old paradigms. This separation is not about judgment, but about individual readiness and soul alignment. During these extraordinary times, Dolores Cannon warned us that our souls would undergo specific upgrades in preparation for the monumental shift ahead. These upgrades encompass not only the physical and emotional aspects, but also the spiritual realm, necessitating the shedding of past burdens to embrace our true essence. Analogous to the narrow path to heaven mentioned by Jesus, navigating through life's challenges with grace and humility becomes imperative. Releasing the heavy baggage of fear, doubt, and attachment allows our souls to ascend and resonate with the frequencies of the new Earth. In this presentation, inspired by Dolores Cannon's pioneering work and my personal experiences, I'm eager to explore 20 profound signs indicating that your soul is undergoing a significant spiritual upgrade, paving the way for the transition to the new Earth. When your soul undergoes its quantum upgrade, it experiences a profound shift in consciousness that often manifests as a heightened connection to light frequencies. Imagine being immersed in a radiant, ethereal glow that fills every corner of your being with warmth and clarity. This sensation transcends the physical realm, enveloping you in a state of pure love and light that elevates your entire being. In these moments, you might feel as if you're floating weightlessly, detached from the constraints of earthly worries and limitations. It's as though you're being lifted into a higher dimension where only the purity of light and love exists. This sensation is deeply transformative, as it allows you to transcend the mundane aspects of life and tap into the boundless energy and vitality of the universe. Every fiber of your being resonates with this divine frequency, pulsating with a renewed sense of purpose and clarity. It's as though you're vibrating in harmony with the very essence of existence, aligning your soul with the cosmic rhythms that govern the universe. This connection to light frequencies is more than just a fleeting experience. It's a profound awakening that reshapes your perception of reality. It opens your heart and mind to the infinite possibilities that lie beyond the physical realm, guiding you on a journey of spiritual evolution and self-discovery. In essence, experiencing a connection to light frequencies during your soul's quantum upgrade is like stepping into a higher dimension of consciousness where the brilliance of divine love illuminates every aspect of your existence. Energetic healing upgrades encompass a profound process of recalibration that occurs within your energy field during periods of deep relaxation, such as during dreams or meditation. In these states, your consciousness enters a receptive mode, allowing for a profound alignment with higher frequencies of light and love. This alignment facilitates a deep healing of your energetic system, restoring balance and harmony on physical, emotional, and spiritual levels. During dreams, your subconscious mind becomes a conduit for the transmission of divine guidance and insight. Symbolic imagery, intuitive impressions, and profound revelations may surface, offering valuable clues and messages pertaining to your spiritual journey. These dreams are not merely random occurrences, but are orchestrated by your higher self and the divine to provide guidance and illumination. Similarly, during meditation, as you enter states of deep relaxation and inner stillness, your consciousness becomes more attuned to the subtle frequencies of the universe. In this heightened state of awareness, you may experience subtle shifts and adjustments within your energetic field as it aligns with the frequencies of divine love and wisdom. This alignment facilitates healing and transformation, allowing you to release old patterns, traumas, and blockages that no longer serve your highest good. Ultimately, these experiences of energetic healing upgrades serve as profound opportunities for growth and evolution on your spiritual path. They offer guidance, insight, and support from the higher realms, helping you navigate the complexities of existence with grace and wisdom. By embracing these experiences with an open heart and a willing spirit, you can accelerate your soul's journey of awakening and alignment with the divine. 3. Heightened sensitivity. You might notice an increased sensitivity to the energies surrounding you, perceiving subtle vibrations and frequencies more keenly. While this sensitivity can be overwhelming, it's also a sign of your soul's evolution and expansion. 4. Upgrade of energy centers. Chakras, your energy centers or chakras, undergo transformation as they are infused with divine light, leading to a more balanced and harmonious energy system. This often includes a profound activation of the heart chakra, fostering a deeper sense of love and connection. 5. Synchronicity and symbolism. Profound signs and synchronicities may manifest in your life, guiding you along a path of divine purpose and fulfillment. These meaningful coincidences serve as reminders of the interconnectedness of all things and the inherent beauty of existence. 6. Waking up at 3-4 a.m. Consistent awakenings during this time frame may signify heightened spiritual activity, inviting you to engage in deeper connection and exploration with your inner guidance and the spiritual realms. 7. Déjà vu and dimensional shifts. Experiences such as déjà vu and dimensional shifts offer glimpses into the vastness of existence beyond linear time and space, indicating the expansion of your consciousness. 8. Attraction to certain individuals. You may feel drawn to individuals whose energies resonate with yours, facilitating mutual growth and evolution on a soul level. 9. Repulsion from certain individuals. Conversely, you might feel disinclined towards individuals whose energies are not in alignment with yours, signaling a natural consequence of your energetic shifts and transformations. 10. Shift in perspective. A profound shift in perspective may occur, allowing you to move from being immersed in life's drama to observing it with detachment and curiosity. Release of judgment. Judgment towards others naturally diminishes as you recognize the interconnectedness of all beings and the inherent divinity within each soul. Manifestation acceleration. Your thoughts and intentions may manifest more rapidly, highlighting your role as a conscious co-creator of your reality. 13. Release of karmic toxins. Intense periods of detoxification on physical, emotional, and spiritual levels may occur, clearing karmic residue and paving the way for spiritual growth. 14. Emotional turbulence. Waves of depression, anxiety, and despair may surface as old energies are purged, leading to emotional healing and transformation. Moments of connectedness. Profound experiences of connectedness to all of creation may evoke a deep sense of reverence and awe for the beauty and sacredness of existence. 16. Activation of psychic abilities. Latent psychic abilities may awaken, allowing you to perceive beyond the limitations of the physical senses and access higher dimensions of wisdom and knowledge. 17. Dissolution of ego. The ego gradually dissolves as you awaken to the truth of your divine nature, embracing unity, love, and wholeness. 18. Activation of light codes. Energetic encodings within your DNA may activate, unlocking dormant potentials and abilities as your consciousness expands. 19. Expansion of awareness. A profound expansion of awareness occurs, deepening your understanding of reality and your interconnectedness with all life. 20. Embodiment of divine love. You begin to embody the frequency of divine love, becoming a vessel for its healing and transformative power, and radiating love, compassion, and kindness to all beings. In conclusion, the journey of soul evolution is a sacred process guided by divine timing and intelligence. Trust in the wisdom of your higher self and surrender to the flow of divine grace as you navigate the path back to the remembrance of your true essence, a radiant being of light and love, forever connected to the infinite source of creation.